And welcome back to the Sports News. Right now, I am joined by Derek Shear of Race Day Events. Derek, thanks for stopping in today.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
And I understand you're here. We're going to talk a little bit about aquathons. What exactly is that? Tell us a bit about it.
Well, an aquathon is a swim and run. It's like a triathlon without the bike. And we're doing them on Thursday nights, and they're a really fun event where you do a 1,000-meter swim and a 5,000 or 5K run. And those are about equal distances, so it's a lot of fun.
And I understand you have some pretty, bigwig athletes that stop in and do these with you.
Well, it's really cool, Madison community, because we've got the Ironman Triathlon, and we've got really great roads out there, and so people love to do triathlon, and we've got people that come to do this Thursday night fun event, like the national champion in triathlon and Ironman Wisconsin champion Jackie Herring, and professional triathletes like Blake Becker. So it's really good.
And with that, you mentioned you have some champions that come out, some big-time athletes. You don't need to be a champion or qualify to compete, do you?
Oh, absolutely not. No, we have all shapes and sizes come out. Lots of folks that are just learning to do triathlon. It's a great opportunity to come out and do an open water swim if you haven't done, most of the time around here it's pool swimming because it's too cold. Or if you are just, getting into multi-sport, it's a great way to get into multi-sport. So we have people that come in like professional triathletes, but we have most of the people are just all shapes and sizes like you and me.
And is that something where they come in as a team? Is it a team event or individual?
Well, we do have a couple of people do it as a team because they don't want to do the run or they don't want to do the swim. But for the most part, it's all individuals, and they're getting a good workout and they're having a lot of fun.
With that, can you tell us when and where this takes place in case some of our viewers might want to either participate or come out and watch?
Oh, absolutely. So we've got the races happen at Warner Park Beach, which is on the north side of Lake Mendota. And the swim goes off the beach and it comes back in, and then you run around the trails of Warner Park. We're doing them on Thursday nights. We've got May 21st, June 11th, July 9th, July 23rd, and August 13th.
Well, there you go, learning all about aquathons today. Derek, thank you so much for joining us here in the Sports News today.
Absolutely, thank you.
That is Derek Shear of Race Day Events. Check that out, as well as some aquathons going on in Madison this summer. We'll be right back with more of the Sports News after this.